everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everyone is well. I'm doing good today. So today we have a green pepper shito for you guys. So we have our peppers here that we're going to make. This is a bit different from the black shito, but I'll show you, you know what I'm talking about. So here we have one medium-sized onion, ginger, one shallot, and we have 2 scotch bonnets. We have green pepper shito, as a green pepper, and then we have green finger pepper, and then we have mixed chili here as well, and then we have green bell pepper here as well, and then we have prawn cube here, and then we have dry smoked prawns, and then we have oil, vegetable oil. So we need 2 cups of vegetable oil here. So, and then now we have also our pan here, a pot that we're going to cook our sauce in. So let's going to put everything. The pepper, I'm putting the shito here, the green pepper, the bell pepper goes in as well, the shallots, cutting it a bit smaller here. So 1 shallot, I'm using ginger, that's it, goes there. A scotch bonnet, 2 scotch bonnets, and the chili pepper goes there, and the sweet pepper as well, onion, cut all of them because my blender is not really strong. Fortunately my Ninja broke down. I need a new one, so I'm using this one for the time being. As I said, here I'm going to blend them together. I'm going to add half a cup of water in here to blend. Yeah, and I'm also adding the dry prawn, smoked prawns in here, blend them together. So this is how our blend look like. This is the consistency that we are looking for. Yeah, so it's done. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my oil into my pan. So what I'm using 2 cups of vegetable oil to cook my sauce here, because these sauce need to be preserved, so you need a lot of oil. Well, not too much though, 2 is enough. Yeah, that's it. So I think now the oil is hot enough, so I'm going to add the pepper into the oil. So we have added the pepper into the oil. Make sure you turn it now and then, yeah, so you don't have any burn pepper sauce shito, you know. So just every 2-3 minutes, make sure you turn it. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, so now it has been like 10 minutes now, so I'm going to add my prawn cube. There's 2 prawn cube here. I'm just gonna use 1. Yeah, that's it. Let's see, 1.5. Yeah, that's enough. That's it. So, and you can taste it. If it's up to your taste, fine. If not, you can add a bit of salt in there as well, but for me it's all right. So I'm going to leave it for another 5 minutes to cook, and then I will be done. Okay, so at this point our green shito is done. You can see the oil has rised up. Yeah, so we're just going to leave it to cool down, and then we'll show you the rest. So this is the end part of our green shito. Is done. This is how it is. I have added kenke and snapper fish and a bit of green onion on top. to make it presentable and nice, so when you eat it you're happy and your stomach is happy. Yeah, thank you for coming today. I hope you're enjoying cooking with us and you'll come back again. Please do like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up and comment, please. See you soon. Bye.